What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another hot day on the homestead. I was sitting inside in the AC thinking about my STIHL lithium mower, wondering how long would the batteries go? How much grass could I mow? Stick with us and then you'll know. Okay, so behind me I have my STIHL RMA 510 series lithium mower. Just a couple spec features off the top. I've got 7 different height settings that I can set this mower at, and it is a push mower. I've got a 20-inch cut. The good thing is I can use a side discharge, or I've got the option of blocking off the side discharge, closing the back off, taking the bag off and using it as a mulcher, or put the bag on to catch all of my trimmings. It'll hold 2 lithium batteries, one that is actually active and one for self-storage, so you can change on the fly. With that, let's see how long this thing will last. Whew. That thing has some juice. What next? Who knows? Okay, the batteries are still saying fully charged. You know, we mowed probably about the size of a typical subdivision house. All said and done, probably 20, 25 yards wide by 35, 40-ish yards long. Batteries are still saying full. We're gonna see how much more we can get. I'm going to throw it in my lithium trimmer here and take care of my garden. Woo! Finally, down 1 bar. Let's see what else we can do. Okay, we got our grass mowed, our garden trimmed, and we're gonna start trimming trees in our bout to drain this lithium battery. Woo! I tell you, it is hot, and that battery still has 3 bars, but I am running on empty. You can see the sweat burning off my head. How long will a STIHL lithium battery last? It'll outlast me. Signing off from the great outdoors. We'll catch you later.